Alright, what it is, YouTube. Alright, now if you might remember, a couple of weeks ago, I posted up a video of a Wright Ratchet that I got. And it had a broken floppy head, and the gears inside, they were broken. So, what I ended up doing was sending it out to One Wright Drive, P.O. Box 512 at Barberton, Ohio. 44203, and that's what I did. Sent it to them, and here's what I got. I got this box today. Let's see what's in it. Now, Wright offers a lifetime warranty on their tools, a lot like SK and Snap-on and Tech-Tune. And I spoke with I think it was, not really spoke, well, I emailed the owner of Harry Epstein's, and, well, he just said, go ahead and email them a picture, and they will get one sent out to you. Well, I happen to already send it out to them. So, you guys can either do the photograph method, or you could do the whole shipping method, which I did. So, we can see what we got here. Oh. What do we got here? What do we got here? We got it. We got it, boys. That's right. Let's get this bad boy open. Sweet. Friggin' sweet. Look at that. Let's see here. Pretty fine tooth, you know? Not super coarse. I think they do, it's a double pawl mechanism in here. And the old system, oh wow, that's a lot of grease. The old system was, it just kind of flopped like the Harbor Freights do. And these new ones, they have detents in them, much like the 3/8 mini that I got, but that one didn't come all gunked up with the grease, but hey, I'll take it. I will take it. And then, here's the other comfort grip that I got. So I got two Wright comfort grips. That's a 3/8, and this is a 3/8. This is a 1/4. You know, I could swap the heads on these two here. They make this other version called a linesman ratchet, where the gear selector sticks up like another, what would you call that? Another 2mm probably. So it makes it really easy to change the gears when you got a set of gloves on. So, I'm going to probably get 3 of those, maybe 2 of those sets and put them in either one of these. We'll figure them out which one I use the most. Oh, and another thing, the ratchet that I warranted was super old, and the grip on it was like near perfect. So these grips, they last a long time, and they look good for forever. They don't like get nasty or anything like that. So, like, Wright, that's the way to go. Like, they got the right tool for the right job, and they got the right name. So, that's what I got for you guys. Give me some likes, give me some subs, deuces.